Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are staying safe. Alhamdulillah. Welcome back to our science class. Inshallah, in our today's class, let's learn more about poultry farms. In poultry farms, avian species are reared and bred for the purpose of egg, meat, or both. Fowls, ducks, geese, and turkeys, or some varieties of pigeon, are the most commonly reared species, where chicken occupy 90% of the total poultry. Poultry birds grown for meat are called broilers. Layers are the female fowls grown for egg production. The poultry industry is important in providing a balanced diet for human population. Proper management of poultry includes methods of hatching, rearing, housing, sanitation, prevention of diseases, and a sound marketing system. In Tamil Nadu, famous poultry farms are found in places like Namakkal, Palladam, and Chennai. And next, let's learn about poultry breeds. There are more than 100 breeds of fowls. Fowls are classified on the basis of their utility to man. They are meat type, that is broiler, and egg type. They are called as egg layer, and dual type. Some of the breeds found in our country are Asal, Chittagong, Gagas, Basra, Brahma, and Cochin. Local and indigenous birds are reared in rural places. Traditionally, these birds have a poor meat production when compared to commercial broiler and layers. But meat and egg from this type of poultry is better than other commercial poultry. Children, do you know? India ranks 5th in poultry production in the world. White Leghorn is the most egg-yielding breed in the world. And next, let's move on to feeding of poultry birds. These poultry birds need proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, and vitamins for egg and meat production. Bajra, barley, maize, wheat, rice bran, jowar, oil cake, fish meal, bread, and green residues of vegetables are the feeds given to the poultry birds. And next very important thing to learn is poultry products. Poultry birds benefit us in many ways. Egg, meat, manure are the 3 main benefits we get from them, isn't it? Poultry birds are a good source of nutritive food. Eggs laid by them are a rich source of protein. These are easily digestible. They contain minerals like calcium, potassium, iron, vitamins, and moderate amount of fat. Children, do you like eggs?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it so?
It's because they are so tasty and nutritious.
Exactly. Egg contains minerals like calcium, phosphorus, sodium, and vitamins like B1, B2, and D. And let's look at the nutritious content of egg. Egg contains 66% of water, 21% of protein, 9% of fat, and 3.5% of minerals in it. And feathers of these birds are used for making pillows and quilts. And dropping of the poultry birds is used as manure. It is highly valuable for crops. And next very important thing to discuss is poultry diseases. If poultry animals are not cared or fed properly, they suffer from number of diseases. Poultry birds affected by virus suffer from fever and diarrhea. Fowl cholera is caused in them by bacteria. And overexposure to wet and cold conditions causes cramps in poultry birds. Poultry birds are affected by internal parasites like roundworm and tapeworm. They are also affected by external parasites like fleas, lice and ticks. In order to manage these conditions, poultry birds need a clean environment. The following measures should be taken in order to avoid diseases. Poultry houses should be clean and disinfected. It should have windows for ventilation. Light is essential for high egg production. Poultry birds need clean and fresh water, and timely vaccination is necessary to prevent diseases. That's all for today. Till I meet you in next class, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.